So it's a third method to solve the linear equation in two variables. That's the elimination method. Elimination means eliminate any variables. You know, if here is 3x, here is 4x, it's not eliminate. But when we this multiply by 4 and this multiply by 3, you get 12x and 12x. And subtract them, so this is cancelled out. Means we have to eliminate x. So the same process used to solve in this method. You have to equal the coefficient by multiplying anything in whole equation to make the coefficient of the variables equal. Let's see. We take again two examples. Here, so in this equation, there is no need to equal any variables. Both variable coefficients are equal. X coefficient 1 1, y coefficient 1 1. We don't interest with the sign. Same sign, subtract them. If here the opposite sign, so already minus, cancel out, add it. So here, if we direct add both the equation, so that y cancel, you get 2x is equal to 18, x equal to 9. Then put in equation first, that your ways, put in first or second, your ways. Put कर दीजिए. X value 9 plus y is equal to 14, y is equal to 5. Answer. But suppose that we want to eliminate x, or you want to eliminate x. So you can see x is the same sign it can't eliminate. So we subtract equation second from first. Second from first means second के सारे sign change. Plus 2 minus, minus 2 plus 2 minus. X minus x cancel. Y plus y, 2y, 14 minus 4, 10, y is equal to 5. Giving same answer. Either you have to use elimination method, either use graphically, substitution, any method. Put in first, same process. X plus 5 equal to 14. X equal to 14 minus 5, 9. Okay? Take one more example. Here the coefficients are already equal, but coefficients are not equal, so how we solve them? Here, in equation first, x2, y, 2 and 4, y 3 and 5. Both are not equal. So it's an easy method to equal them. Either multiply both the equation by interchanging the coefficient. Means 3 से multiply second में, 5 से multiply first में. 3 से यहाँ करेंगे तो 15, 5 यहाँ से 15, y इक्वल हो जाएगा. और if only multiply by 2 in first equation, so we get x coefficient equal. But we want to equal y coefficient. So multiply equation first by 5 and equation second by 3. इसको 5 से करेंगे, इसको 3 से कर देते हैं. So what you get? Multiply to whole equation. 10x, 15y, 65. 5, 5, 5. 3, 3, 3. Then equal coefficient have same sign, so subtract. When you subtract, plus change to minus, plus change to minus, plus change to minus. Sign plus होगा तो minus, minus होगा तो plus. Then cancel. So 10x minus 12x is equal to minus 2x. 69 minus and plus 65, that is minus 4. Minus cancel. X is equal to 4 upon 2, that is 2. We get the value of x is 2. Then same method, if you getting the value of x, you can put the value of x anywhere, in first or second. So put in equation first. 2 into 2 plus 3y equal 13. 3y is equal to 13 minus 4. Y is equal to 9 upon 3, that is 3. Okay? You can check your answer. 2 and 3. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. Also check second equation. Yes. 4, 2, 8 plus 5, 3, 15. 8, 15, 23. Because the common values will satisfy both the equation. So that is the elimination method. I hope so you all understand how we find the solution by using elimination method. Pause the video and note down. So let's see some more examples solved by elimination method. We take 3 different examples. First examples, variables x, y and the constant also in the terms of ABCD. So take first example, ax plus by is equal to a minus b, bx minus ay is equal to a plus b. First equation, second equation. Same thing. X coefficient not equal, y coefficient not equal. So in simple sa funda, always multiply by interchanging the coefficient. We want to equal them. Why? Because it's opposite sign. So directly cut down. So a in second equation multiply in first, b in first equation multiply in second. So we write multiply by a in equation first and b in equation second. Okay. So present ax square plus by aby is equal to a square minus ab. Here b square x, a square x, b square y minus aby is equal to ab plus b square. Subtract. यहाँ पे पहले साइन डिफरेंट है, डायरेक्टली ऐड, कैंसिल. y कोफिशिएंट aby प्लस साइन माइनस साइन कैंसिल. हियर x कॉमन, so we remain a square plus b square. Here when we add up, if you have any problems you can note down direct first thing. ab cancel, a square plus b square x, this sent to opposite side, so in division cancel out, you get the value of x is 1. Now you can put the value of x in any equation, either first or second. So we can put in equation first, suppose that. So a into 1 plus by is equal to a minus b, by a minus b, a sent to opposite side minus a cancel, y is equal to minus b upon b, that is minus 1. That is the value of, so a is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. You can check your answer here. 1 minus 1, a minus b, 1 minus 1 plus a plus b, plus a plus b. Okay, so you have to see, no any different method to solve these types of problem, only solve with the mathematical rules. Take second examples. It's very important examples because many times these types of examples come in your board examination. So you can note down by pausing the video. We can take the second example. So we take second example. 47x plus 31y is equal to 63. 31x plus 47y is equal to 15. Now you can see, if you want to equal them the coefficients, so multiply by 31 here and 47 here if you want to equal them x. So I think it's so big value after multiplying you get. So I think it take the time because 31 into 47, 31, 31, 31 into 63, then this, then subtract, then again. So too long process, also taking time, because in board examinations there are two things important. First thing, accuracy within time. If you're not getting the answer in the first attempt, that means it's a problem, big problems in your board examination. So we can't solve by this thing. You can see the special case here. In first equation x coefficient, that is same in second equation y coefficient. Same for first equation y coefficient, second equation x coefficient same. Then these type question would you direct add equation first and second directly. 47 plus 31, 78x. 31 plus 47, 78y. 63, 15, 78. 78 common, x plus y is equal to 78. 78 sent to opposite side, you get x plus y is equal to 78. 78 cancel 1. That is your third equation. Easy लगा कुछ? You get the easy equation, simple equation. Then again, इसको solve नहीं करेंगे. Again, first time you add them, then subtract equation second from first, means 1 minus 2. 77 minus 31, 16x, because 31 minus 47, so you get minus sign, and that is 16y, minus 16y. 63 minus 15, so 13 minus 5, 48. So 16 common, x minus y is equal to 48. 16, 3 is 48. X minus y is equal to 3. Equation number 4th. Then you get two simple equation. I hope so. After this you can solve easily. Let's see. Write down one by one. 1 x minus y is equal to 3. That is the third equation. That is the fourth equation. Then directly add. Y cancel. 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 2. Put in third equation. Not put here. Okay. 2 plus y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 minus 2. Y is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. That's your final answer. You can check your answer by putting here 47 into 2. You get 94 and y minus 1 means 94 minus 31 you get 63. It means my answer is right. Okay. So again you note down by pausing the video. Then you can see third equation. There are simple equations. So in your mind, sir, why you say this example is so easy example? In the previous videos you also take this example. No, something different. So I take first equation, second equation. Either you equal the coefficient x, either they equal the coefficient y. और ध्यान देखिए, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स बताने जा रहा हूं मैं आपको यहाँ पे. इफ यू वांट टू इक्वल दैम x, so multiply by 2 only. Multiply equation first by 2. So 6x plus multiply by 2, 8y equal to 4. That is the third equation. And this is same note down. Subtract. क्या हुआ? Both variable coefficients are equal, it can be cancelled out. It means you don't get the value of x and y. It's not solvable. If suppose that here not 4, 6, so you get -2, तो भी तो दोनों वेरिएबल्स कट गया है. So how we solve this types of question? So these types of question have not solved by elimination method or substitution method or cross multiplication method. It is only solved by graphically. Listen carefully what I want to say you. Clear up this? There are 3 types of solution. First, unique solution. Second, infinitely solution. Infinitely many solution. Third, no solution. So this types of equation is solved by all method, all 4 method, but these 2 is only solved by graphical method. Means you also say that substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method is solved only for the unique types of solution. It not solve the question when it says infinitely solution or no solution. Okay, that's you see in this example. That's a very important things. So before solving the question, first you check in your mind that the ratio of a upon b is not a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, because it gives unique solution. If the equation have this types of problem, this types of relation, so you can solve this. Otherwise, directly not write down, it's not solved by this method. Okay? Pause the video, note down.